Today we're going to be showcasing 5 houses for sale in St. Catherine. House number 1. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house found in Bindloss in Linstead, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 3,500 square feet and it's on the market for $585,000 US. This house sits on over 10 acres of land. Let's go on the inside. First, we have living area number 1. And this is living area number 2. Next, we have the main dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move on to this area where we have an additional dining area. Next, we have the bedroom. Out of 4 bedrooms, only 1 is being shown. We then move on to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. And this is the third bathroom. Out of 4 bathrooms, 3 were shown. From here, we're going to head back on the outside. And that would be the end of the images for house number 1. House number 2. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in the gated community of Phoenix Park Village in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 1,250 square feet, with the size of the lot being 5,000 square feet. This house is being listed for $300,000 US. Let's take a closer look. First, we have the living and dining area. And next we have the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedroom. This house has 2 bedrooms, however only 1 is being shown. Followed by that is the bathroom. Out of 2 bathrooms, we only have 1 being shown. That will be the end for house number 2. House number 3. This is a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house found in White House Housing Scheme in Linstead, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 4,591 square feet and it's on the market for 30 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a look. First, we have the veranda. And this is the entrance to the house. Next is the living area. This is the dining area. Next is the kitchen. And here we have a sitting area. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. Out of 6 bedrooms, 2 were shown. We then move on to the bathroom. This house has 5 bathrooms, however only 1 is being shown. Next we have the balcony. And here we have a 2-car carport. This will then be the end of house number 3. House number 4. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in Union's Estate in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 1,100 square feet and it's on the market for 21.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Up next we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. We then move from here and head to the back of the house. And that will be the end of house number 4. House number 5. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in Seville Meadows in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 5,821 square feet and it's being listed for 30 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go and take a look. First we have the veranda. We then move on to the living areas. Here's living area number 1 and living area number 2. Next is the dining area. And here we have the kitchens. Here's kitchen number 1 and kitchen number 2. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of 3 bedrooms, 2 were shown. We then have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. Next is the laundry area. And from here we're going to head on the outside. Now guys, that would be the end of house number 5 and it would also be the end of this video. If you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and to share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.